As the world rapidly urbanizes, our connection with food, farming, and even the air we breathe is quietly transforming. By mid century, nearly 70% of the human population will live in cities. This shift isn't just about more people in buildings, it's about how those buildings, streets, and neighborhoods are shaping what we eat, how we eat, and even what ends up inside our bodies without us realizing it. Urbanization has changed our relationship with food in surprising ways. It has redefined how we shop, what we buy, and how much we waste. The design of our cities, whether we have short walkable blocks or rely on long drives to big box stores, directly affects our diets and the kinds of food systems we sustain. In compact, walkable cities, people tend to buy fresh food more often, in smaller quantities, creating less packaging waste. But in car dependent cities, people buy in bulk, rely on processed and refrigerated foods, and contribute to more waste and energy use. Yet, this story runs deeper than just shopping habits. Urbanization affects the entire food chain, from how much energy is used to produce, transport, and store food, to the growing detachment between people and the farms that feed them. As cities expand and rural life recedes into the background, fewer people truly understand how difficult it is to grow food. And when we lose that understanding, it becomes easier to undervalue it or throw it away. Meanwhile, the food that does reach our plates often carries hidden threats we can't see. Studies have shown that harmful chemicals like perfluorinated compounds and phthalates used in food packaging, processing equipment, and even the soil and water are quietly leaching into our meals. These substances have been linked to cancers, hormonal imbalances, and other chronic illnesses. Even fast food wrappers and microwave popcorn bags have been found to contain these fluorinated chemicals that make their way into our bodies. It's alarming to think that substances banned from toys and cosmetics can still sneak into something as basic as a sandwich or snack. And while many of us think we've escaped pollution by eating at home, the truth is our kitchens and living rooms may be more polluted than city streets. Experts estimate that most of our exposure to air pollution actually happens indoors. Everyday actions like frying an egg, roasting vegetables, vacuuming, or using air fresheners release microscopic pollutants known as volatile organic compounds and particulate matter into the air we breathe. You might be shocked to learn that cooking breakfast in your kitchen can expose you to more harmful particles than standing on a busy roadside in London or Delhi. Modern homes, built to be airtight and energy efficient, can trap these pollutants inside. Scented candles, air fresheners, cleaning sprays, even the glues and paints in furniture all release chemicals that linger. Without proper ventilation or filtration, these toxins accumulate and quietly damage our lungs, hearts, and immune systems. The irony is striking. In our efforts to build cleaner, more efficient homes, we've sometimes made the air inside more dangerous than the air outside. Urbanization, processed food systems, and indoor lifestyles are not separate problems. They are interconnected threads of the same web. Cities change how we eat, how we cook, and how we live. Our pursuit of convenience and comfort has created invisible trade offs that impact both the planet and our health. The good news is, the solutions are within reach. Smarter city design can make fresh food more accessible. Thoughtful consumer choices can reduce chemical exposure. Better ventilation and awareness can dramatically improve indoor air quality. But most importantly, reconnecting with the origins of our food and respecting the effort that goes into growing it can help us make healthier, more sustainable choices every day. The moral of the story is simple. Sustainability isn't just about planting trees or cutting emissions. It begins in our kitchens, our neighborhoods, and in how we value the invisible systems that feed and shelter us. By understanding the hidden linkages between our cities, our food, and our air, we can start to build a future that nourishes both people and the planet.
This information is brought to you by Ramakrishna Surathu, author of the book You Are God, founder, developer, and chief executive officer of the self sustainable city